In the year in 897 AD in Basilica of St. John Lateran, Rome, Pope John VIII's, Pope Formosus, corpse was exhumed, dressed in papal vestments, and put on trial for crimes. Sit back, listen and enjoy the full story. The trial of the dead pope, officially known as the Cadaver Synod, Synodus Horrenda, was one of the strangest and most macabre events in the history of the Catholic Church. It took place in 897 AD in Basilica of St. John Lateran, Rome, and involved the exhumed corpse of Pope Formosus being put on trial by his successor, Pope Stephen VI, who had a deep political grudge against Formosus. Let me take you back to the real problem. Who was Pope Formosus? Pope from 891 to 896. He got caught up in violent political disputes between factions in Italy and the Holy Roman Empire. He supported Arnulf of Carinthia as Holy Roman Emperor, angering supporters of Lambert of Spoleto. Enter Stephen VI. After Formosus died, Stephen VI, aligned with the Spoletan faction, became pope. He sought revenge on Formosus for his political choices. The trial itself, here's where things get incredibly bizarre. Formosus's corpse was exhumed, dressed in papal robes, and propped up on a throne in court. A deacon was appointed to speak on his behalf. He was charged with perjury, violating canon law by serving as bishop in 2 places, which was forbidden. Assuming the papacy illegally, Stephen VI shouted at the corpse, berated it, and declared Formosus's papacy invalid. Caught the verdict, Formosus was found guilty. His acts as pope were declared null and void. His papal vestments were torn off, and 3 fingers used for blessings were cut off. His body was thrown into a common grave, then later tossed into the Tiber River. Aftermath: the grotesque spectacle shocked much of Rome. Public opinion turned against Stephen VI, who was arrested later that year and strangled to death in prison. Formosus's body was later recovered and reburied with honors. Later popes nullified the Cadaver Synod, and Formosus was reinstated as a legitimate pope. Pope John IX even banned future trials of dead people. Seems reasonable. My thought on this: 1. It's an extreme example of how political power struggles deeply affected the papacy in the 9th and 10th centuries. 2. The event damaged the reputation of the Church, showing how theological authority could be weaponized for grudges and revenge. 3. It remains one of the most grotesque episodes in Church history, often cited to show the instability of the Saeculum Obscurum, Dark Age of the papacy. You too can share your thought in the comment section. For educative and informative stories like this, please follow, like and share.